Hey guys, EG Scary here, unboxing crappy masks I bought on Amazon. So this one is Michael Myers, one of the newer version masks from MAKEATREE Studios, which I think is a Chinese ripoff firm. Alright, let's get this thing open. Whoa, look at that, it's open. So, made in China, Halloween wick eye mask, new. So this was on normally $18.99 and I got it for $12.99, and you always get what you pay for. It is a thicker latex. After COVID, I can't really smell very good, but I don't think it smells like anything. The nose here is squished in. I don't know if that's how it's supposed to be or not, but it looks like these nose holes are, it's like a bad mold. The hair is messed up. It has a stamp on the back. And I can't read what it says. So here it is. For $12.99, not bad. You can definitely see the nose. I don't know if that's, like I said, intentional. I'll be honest, I've not seen the film this was supposed to be from. Well guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel. And find us on Facebook. I never ever say that. EG Scary, out.